Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to fry some breadfruit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my breadfruit and it's already roasted, and of course the skin is nice removed from my breadfruit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice my breadfruit in two halves. Now when you slice your breadfruit into halves, you wanna go ahead and just remove the heart from the breadfruit. The heart is that hard little white thing in the middle. As you can see, I remove it and put it to the side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing up my breadfruit in some thin slices. Now, you can always go ahead and get breadfruit at your local supermarket or grocery shop. You can visit your local farmers market, and of course, you'll get breadfruit there as well. Sometimes they tend to roast the breadfruit for you, and you can always go ahead and ask them to remove the skin if it is that you can't remove it properly. So once I'm finished removing the heart from my breadfruit, we're going to start by frying our breadfruit. Of course, I went ahead already, put on my pot on the stove, and I added my vegetable oil, and I'm going to allow it to just heat up until I'm finished slicing up my breadfruit. All right, now you can always go ahead and have your breadfruit with some fish like I did. You can always go ahead and have it with chicken, whatever you have at home. If you have ackee and saltfish, you can always go ahead and have it with it. If you want to just prepare some cook up saltfish, some mackerel, whatever you have, guys, just be creative and make sure you be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home. Just in case you don't want to fry all of that breadfruit, what you can do, you can always go ahead and just place the rest of the breadfruit in a Ziploc bag and place it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. So like I said, this is the pot that I'm going to fry my breadfruit in. So I'm going to go ahead and just add the breadfruit because it's all hot and ready. And of course, we're going to fry our breadfruit until they're golden brown on each side. So once one side is golden brown, we're going to flip it over on the other side and allow the other side to fry as well. And remember not to turn up your stove on high heat. Medium to low heat is perfect to fry your breadfruit, all right? Like I said, we want our breadfruit to be golden brown on each side. So that's exactly what we're going for. And if you want to have fish with your breadfruit, I just uploaded a video on my channel yesterday. You can always go ahead and check out that fish recipe and go ahead and try it out. And I do have the recipe for my escovitch sauce on my channel. You can always go ahead and watch that as well and prepare it for your families and your friends. So now that my breadfruit, they're all finished frying, we're going to go ahead and take them up, of course. Place them on this plate that is lined with paper towels so that the excess oil can drain. And then we're going to go ahead and fry the rest of the breadfruit. Like I said, I'm not frying all of the breadfruit. I went ahead and stored some in a Ziploc bag for later use. And you can always go ahead and do the same. So if you're not going to use all of the breadfruit, make sure you remove the heart from it. And make sure you slice it up nicely. So when you're ready to use it, you just take it out and that is it. So this is it, guys, the final product of my roast breadfruit. Like I said, I didn't fry all of it. As you can see, some of the roast breadfruit is still on the plate. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.